सो बेटा स्टार्टिंग के 2 चैप्टर्स आर कंसिडर्ड एज आर फर्स्ट यूनिट एंड इट कैरी 11 मार्क्स. सो बेसिकली इन 2 चैप्टर्स में से हमारे क्वेश्चंस इस पैटर्न में आएंगे. सेक्शन ए, बी और सी में आपको क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे. डी और ई में कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं मिलेगा फर्स्ट सेकंड चैप्टर्स का. एंड इवन सेकंड चैप्टर इज ऑफ वेरी लेस वेटेज, मे बी 2 मार्कर क्वेश्चन और 1 मार्कर क्वेश्चन इज ओनली फ्रॉम देयर. वी आर गिविंग यू रफ आइडिया कि मे बी ऐसा पॉसिबल हो, बट द होल 2 चैप्टर्स आर ऑफ 11 मार्क्स ओनली. सो बेटा स्टार्टिंग के 2 चैप्टर्स 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. फर्स्ट पार्ट में आपको मिलेगा नंबर एंड क्वांटिफिकेशन. यहाँ पे ये नंबर एंड क्वांटिफिकेशन डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स: कॉन्ग्रुएंसी मॉड्यूलो, मॉड्यूलो अरिथमेटिक एंड इक्वलिटी क्लास. बेटा फर्स्टली वी आर स्टडिंग मॉड्यूलो अरिथमेटिक. इससे पढ़ने के बाद यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कॉन्ग्रुएंसी मॉड्यूलो, देन वी कैन गो विथ इक्विवेलेंस क्लास. So basically 2 marker question or 1 marker question is from these 3 topics. And then the chapter is going to be divided with word problems. So the second part of the chapter is numerical applications, where this chapter is divided into 5 parts. Starting 4 parts are of basically word problems, and the 5th part is numerical inequality, which means the chapter number 2. So chapter number 2 has a very less weightage, and the remaining major portion is coming from first chapter only. Beta first chapter में firstly you can understand modulo arithmetic, which is also known as arithmetic of remainders. Beta you basically study remainder theorem. Basically you know the remainder theorem in smaller classes. So what the remainder theorem said, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Actually in smaller classes, you know, if you divide 4 with 13, then here is 12, this is 1 and this is 3. This is known as quotient, this is known as remainder, this is known as divisor, we can note it as small d, and this is known as dividend. So dividend is equals to divisor, that means divisor into quotient, 4 into 3 plus remainder, which is 1. So this is the remainder theorem which you study in smaller classes. Now basically remainder theorem is totally the same as that of modulo arithmetic. But beta what we need to do, the quotient is of no use in modulo arithmetic. Suppose I can take this as a, dividend as a, divisor as b, and remainder as you can take it as n or something else. So what modulo arithmetic says, it says a mod of b is equals to whatever it is, like whatever be the remainder, you can write r or n symbol, whatever symbol you want. So a is actually dividend, b is actually divisor, and r is remainder here. Modulo arithmetic is totally same as that of remainder theorem. The difference is only that beta here we have no use of quotient. So modulo arithmetic is a mod b equals to r, or simply you can write it like this also. When we divide an integer a by integer b, we have this format. So a mod b is equals to r. बेटा ये पॉइंट आप क्वेश्चंस करने के बाद समझोगे कि r की वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू और ग्रेटर देन 0 बट नेवर ग्रेटर देन b. b मीन्स द टर्म इन विच वी आर डिवाइडिंग इट, जो भी आपका डिवाइजर होगा. So we can start questions of modulo arithmetic. Modulo arithmetic is what? It is a mod b is equals to r. If same process का pattern change हो जाता है तो modulo arithmetic convert as congruency modulo. Firstly we are going to start questions of modulo arithmetic.